Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play GTA V on PlayStation Portal. First, make sure your PlayStation 5 console is set up for remote play. This means it should be powered on or in rest mode and connected to the internet. The PlayStation Portal acts as a remote viewer, streaming games directly from your PS5, so a stable and fast Wi-Fi connection is absolutely crucial for a smooth experience. Without a good connection, your gameplay will suffer from lag and interruptions. Once your PS5 is ready, you'll need to connect your PlayStation Portal. Power on your portal and follow the on-screen instructions to link it to your PlayStation 5. This usually involves signing into your PlayStation Network account. It's vital that both your PS5 and your portal are connected to the same Wi-Fi network for the initial setup and best performance. A 5 GHz Wi-Fi band is highly recommended for optimal streaming quality and minimal latency. With your portal connected, simply select the Remote Play option. Your portal will then display your PS5 home screen. From there, you can easily navigate to Grand Theft Auto V and launch the game just as you would on your television. The portal's integrated controller provides a familiar and comfortable gaming experience, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in Los Santos from anywhere in your home with a strong Wi-Fi signal. To get the most out of your PlayStation Portal, always ensure you have a robust and stable Wi-Fi connection. Minimize interference by keeping other devices off the network if possible. Also, closing any unnecessary applications on your PlayStation 5 can help dedicate more resources to your game, improving streaming quality. For a fresh car scent, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your adventures in Grand Theft Auto V on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.